Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study social studies of class 1, and in our today's lecture we will start a new lesson. The name of our lesson is Clothes We Wear. So take out your social studies books and open up page number 34. On page number 34, there is a lesson 8, Clothes We Wear. Okay, so we wear clothes to cover our body. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect our body from heat and cold. What do they do? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, and they also protect us from heat and cold. We wear different clothes in different seasons. For example, in summer, we wear different light cotton clothes. In summer, we wear light cotton clothes. Why? Because these cotton clothes keep us cool. In summer, we wear light cotton clothes because they keep us cool. And what about the monsoon season? In the monsoon season, we wear raincoats. Can you see that? This is a raincoat. In this picture, the boy is wearing a raincoat. In monsoon, we wear raincoats because raincoats protect us from rain. And in winter, we wear coats, jackets, and sweaters. We also wear woolen clothes, gloves, and mufflers. What do we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why? Because they keep us warm. So we wear coats, jackets, and sweaters, and we also wear woolen clothes in winter because they keep our body warm. Okay, coming towards page number 35. People from primitive ages used leaves and animal skins as clothes. Do you know this thing? In earlier ages, people used leaves and they also used animal skin as clothes. People wear special clothes for work. It is called uniform. For example, you wear your school uniform when you go to school. Similarly, some people wear special clothes for their work. It is called their uniform. Look at the uniform of soldier. The soldier is wearing uniform. Second picture. The second picture is of a doctor. She is wearing a lab coat. So this is a uniform. In the third picture, there is a policeman. So he is wearing the uniform of police. Next. Now, look at the picture. The first picture is of a postman. Second picture is of a nurse. She is also wearing uniform. And the last picture is of a cricketer. Cricketers also wear uniform when they play. Now, note down your homework. Make title page of lesson 8, Clothes We Wear, and read page number 34 and 35. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.